Hey traders, this is a weekend video update covering the timing signal and a few other sentiment charts, market internal charts. I want to start here with the NASDAQ. This is just to give you an overall sense of where we're at. Timing signal went positive on the 29th, and we've had one nice run since then. I was really strongly adamant about taking profits on around Wednesday. Tuesday I was telling you guys to watch this second target area that I had designated, and as always, I always sell too soon. Looking at it, I mean, since I made that that post earlier in the week, we've gone another 50 points up on the NASDAQ. Looking back at it, I wouldn't have really done anything different, and knowing that there's a Fed meeting this week, I suspect we're going to get a sell the news type event. I can't imagine. I mean, okay, we've got two scenarios. You've got Monday's probably going to be fairly boring, same as Tuesday morning, and then whenever they announce, then we're going to probably either going to go up. The markets are going to immediately like what they see, and they're going to go up, which is going to cause this market to be even more overbought than it is. And that's going to set up a really dangerous scenario, in my opinion. What I would like to see is a pullback to work off some of this frothiness, and then that could set up another buying opportunity a couple weeks from now. But right now, where it stands, and I'll probably be sending an update out to those of you on my newsletter. We're probably going to be getting a sell, not a sell signal, basically a get out, go to cash, go to the sidelines, wait for the next signal type event. I want to show you the VIX here. You can see that we're really getting back. We're really getting back into the normal volatility area. But given that it's come so far so fast, I would almost say that the markets have become complacent, and that's one potential worry that we've had. The markets just continue to go up, pushing the VIX down, so we are getting some complacency in the markets. I wanted to show you, this is the NASDAQ Advanced Decline chart, and you can see the positive DI is registering over 70, which is really the highest it's been. I didn't go back and see. This is just 1 year. It's the highest it's been. The negative DI is probably at its lowest. So we are at an extreme on the NASDAQ Advanced Decline line. You have to give a major, not a slight, a major. What's the word I'm looking for? Edge. You have to give a major edge to the bulls, though, because the actual ADX line is up with a positive DI on top. It's just at an extreme. I just think that we really need to pull back. I hate to sound like a broken record on this, but like I said, I would have done it all over again. I think 8 times out of 10 the market pulls back earlier in the week. I think we're just in this scenario where you have people that miss some of this rally or piling on. You could potentially have the markets doing a secret QE3 under the radar, which is pushing this market higher. That's kind of what I thought back in December was going to happen. I thought they were going to be doing that throughout December to get more bang for their buck on a low volume Christmas rally, which we did eventually see. So here is the percentage of stocks above their 50-day moving average on the NASDAQ. You can see we're nearly over 90, which is a pretty high amount. So there comes a point where the market will have to pull back. You can't have them all above the 50-day moving average for too long. And then finally, real quick, but this is a really important chart. You can kind of pause it and take a look at it. This is a 3-line break chart of the Toronto, and you can see that even though everything looks great from a Canadian standpoint, everything looks great from the markets in the U.S., we are approaching some major resistance, and at 12.5, which is we're about 100 points below that. And even though I'm bullish and everything looks great, I think we need to keep in mind that the markets still are in a major downtrend. So it's going to be interesting to see how we react when we get back to this area. Past 3 times have been, well, the past 2 times have been, there's been a serious correction. So keep this in the back of your mind. You can recreate this chart if you're in stock charts. Okay, take care, guys.